Okay.
We're gonna open this Yum box, but we don't know where it's from. Grandpa?
Oh, I get to open it? So I did cut the tape, but we haven't opened it yet. So these people here make you nervous? Like,
a little.
This is being filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Like, oh my gosh.
Okay, so to catch everybody up, we subscribed to this Yum box. It was one of Adrienne's Christmas presents. And each month we get a box in the mail. We just got this one, and it's from a different country. Last month was Belgium. We did this 3 or 4 years ago, but COVID happened. We were living in Utah, and Adrienne wasn't able to participate, so we let the subscription run out. But now we're redoing it now that she's we're closer. So ready to open this? Okay, open. Okay, what we got? Spain.
Spain.
Do you know where Spain's at?
All I know it's near like the ocean. No, near the Atlantic Ocean.
What side of the Atlantic Ocean?
I don't know. Oh, it's near France, I know too.
So yeah, so France is up there, and then Portugal is Portugal's over here. Then the Atlantic Ocean. And if you get in the ocean and swim about like 3,000 or 4,000 miles, you go to New York City.
Wait, swim?
Yeah.
I'm not swimming in there.
All right. So let me hold up what we got, and then you.
Looks like seafood. Some of it is like seafood a little.
Yeah. So what we do, we get these little booklets, and it tells about the different things that come in the package.
Like the food and stuff.
Yeah. So we'll get to that page.
Here's some food.
So what do we got first?
Let's see. We got honey and butter flavored corn puffs.
Okay, that sounds good. Honey and
buttered flavored corn puffs.
Honey and butter flavored. All right, this might be okay.
It might actually taste good. We'll see.
So what's it look like? It's like a.
That's actually a little good.
What's it taste like?
To me, it mostly tastes like dry cereal to me.
And dry cereal. Does it taste like Cheetos a little bit, except
it's just cheesier.
Not cheesy.
It's a little cheesier.
It actually tastes like Cheetos, even though it's honey and butter flavor. There's not supposed to be any cheese in there, but it tastes like Cheetos to me a little bit. So these aren't bad. These would be a snack that we will enjoy.
Here, it says Explorers of the J encountered popcorn for the first time during I didn't even say it. Anzatic ceremony, and described the burst of corn as resembling white flowers.
Okay.
And popcorn usually has like a little bit of cheese.
Okay.
Cheese in it. It's like cheesy popcorn.
So let's open this one next. So this is
here. It's fried egg flavored potato chips.
That's not this.
Yes, it is. Right here.
It's right below there.
Sorry. Assorted snack mix with fried corn.
Assorted mix with fried corn. It just says cocktail snacks on here or something.
It says it's roasted, crunchy, and fusion.
All right, so
I'm not really a big fan of really a big fan.
Now put it on the table and you can
I can hardly even chew this one. Ooh, this one's like a star. Ooh.
It looks like a Frito.
A little ball.
Got little round things in here.
That actually looks like a Frito.
The little Frito things are...
Those are good.
Not bad. So it's just a little bit of everything.
Hi.
Are we grading these?
Yes.
So the last thing, I would give it a thumbs up. This here, I'd give it a sideways thumb.
Yeah, last
This
time.
isn't something I would
Mine
normally
are-
enjoy anyhow.
Last thing I would give it a side. This thing I would give it a side too. So they're both sides
A
for
side thumb. All right. We might need some helpers.
me. They're not here.
You like fried eggs?
Yes. Fried egg flavored potato chips. Eggy, classic, and vegetarian.
You want to try this?
Uh-huh.
I'm having a hard time.
You want me to help you?
Look at those scissors right over there. Don't run with them.
I'm not going to cut you. I know how to use scissors.
All right, go ahead. Fried egg flavored potato chips.
They taste like eggs. It tastes like eggs. Taste it. It tastes like eggs.
I don't like eggs.
Taste it.
Oh, it stinks like, smell it. Or give it here.
Tastes like eggs.
Oh, God.
I'm giving it thumbs down.
Oh,
We all know his idea. Thumbs down.
I got to pause this.
Taste this.
Are they
Okay,
eggs?
we're back. We're back live.
With our two helpers.
Fried-
And this is a shortest snack mixed with fried corn. It's,
I'm not. That stinks. I'm not tasting it.
It
based on the way
it just
smells.
tastes like eggs.
Oh my god! I don't like eggs. Tastes just like a fried egg.
It's a fried.
Wait, why does my mom complain about me having to eat eggs but you guys don't even like? That's just sad.
I like eggs. I'm not eating that.
Come on, man. I
don't
ate
eat
one.
that.
These two don't like
Who doesn't
eggs.
I'm not eating that. I will.
I don't really like eggs.
No.
So we got two helpers. We got Rachel
You
and
eat
Jody.
eggs.
Jody ate
I
some.
don't like them.
She's going for the whole bag.
Ew.
I take that thumbs down. I don't
That's
really.
a thumbs down for
Okay.
me.
That's the next.
Okay. All right, now we're going to get to the good stuff.
Spicy mango flavored gummies.
Oh, spicy mango flavored.
That's my jam. I like some spicy. Give me it.
All right, so this.
Oh God! Oh yeah! Oh,
So loud.
you guys say shit then.
Oh, this isn't bad.
Good.
It tastes like it might have ginger. Does it say it has ginger?
Oh.
Let me see. Spicy mango.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell. So the spiciness has to be from ginger in here.
I like those. Oh, that is spicy.
No, say. All right, we'll go to the next one.
It doesn't say. Okay.
Some type of Spanish walnut
Spanish walnut Alfredo cookie.
Cookie.
What kind of cookie?
Spanish walnut.
Oh yeah, I can't even pronounce that.
Alfador. That's what I'm calling it. Alfador cookie.
So there it is.
It's it says it's nutty.
Whoa.
The J.
It kind of crumbles.
It's like kind of like cookie dough.
So it's just a cookie flavored.
That's mine.
Stop. You gotta let us all taste it before you get the rest. Come on, I don't like the texture of this. It's weird.
It tastes
It's like
like
a sugary.
It's like
cookie dough.
it's the texture of packed brown sugar.
Mine.
Don't be eating it all. We got more stuff to try. So it's like, even though it's walnut flavored, it's not like walnuts in there, so it's not too bad. All right.
Here.
So we got one more thing.
It's made from flour, honey, nuts, and spices.
Must be ground nuts.
Okay, what else? What we got here?
Let me see. Next page. What was that?
Something orange.
Dark chocolate covered cookies with orange flavored filling.
Mm.
Fragrant, fruity, and chocolate.
How many are in here?
Let me taste one.
So one of our helpers is throwing up.
Ew.
What?
We don't want the vomit noises going on in the video.
This is bitter.
Where's all?
I spitted it out. That's done down.
Oh, this reminds me of those Christmas candies you used to get with orange. Jody can have these.
Ooh.
That's disgusting.
What?
Alright.
Whatever that is. It's nasty. How did you even get it out?
Okay, so for the first time, we had a vomit incident with our taste testing. So we had I don't know where everything was.
Rachel just is like, I'm out
So
of here.
review,
Bye
we
bye.
had the fried egg potato chips. We had the mixed stuff that Jody's walking around eating out of the bag.
That is what made me gag. I like it.
We had
What does it taste like?
spicy mango, which has ginger. We had that cookie, which seems to be the favorite for most people. And then dark chocolate.
We should
orange.
start doing these. Where it's like this.
Oh, you give it a grading.
Yeah, but on step 1, before you start the tasting adventure, take a look at every snack. Write in the heart the number of the yum you think you'll like best.
Oh,
well, you can do it next time, but you can write the one that you liked.
yeah. So this is like you write down which one you
We'll have to
think
do
you'll
that
like
next time.
best.
The spicy mango. I thought the spicy mango would taste good, but
And then we have stickers.
I thought the what was that?
So no, yeah, it has recipes in there from Spain, some different things. So far, Jody hasn't tried any of them, but I suppose I could try some. I cook Spanish tomato bread, so we might try that sometime. And
Recipes?
then, yeah,
Oh.
Ooh, that was good.
and then some other information about Spain. So,
I want this.
well, we thought this would be nice. Is that nutrition facts? We don't care about that. So we thought that this would be nice for Adrienne to learn about where the different countries are. And Jody had brought up the globe.
Do I need to get it now?
Then
We'll have to get it out next time. Alright, fine. Whatever.
we don't need it. We're done. So, okay, next time. Because then we show Adrienne where the countries are located.
I think mostly. I only liked 2. Every single other one was disgusting.
The food, you got some on
Crumbs
your
on your-
lips still.
Get your crumbs off.
So,
There you go.
I want to try.
okay. Until next month.